What's up, guys? Man, it is a beautiful day here in Utah. I love the fall weather. It's like 55 degrees, almost 60. Perfect. I'm hungry. You hungry? Well, I decided to make some shrimp tacos. I'm gonna make them out of the back of my truck. But first, let's go get the ingredients. Cabbage was really hard to get. It's all slippery and it was jammed in there. I had to buy organic chili powder. It was $6 for that. They didn't have any other options. How you doing? Good. When you have a minute, can I get a half a pound of the large white shrimp? Thank you so much. You too. All right, that's it. Let's go check out and see what the damage is. Alright, well, we got everything we needed, hopefully. We'll probably forget something out in the field. Sorry about my dirty truck. I just went on a trip and haven't cleaned it out yet. Alright, let's look at the damages here. We're right around 35. Whoop. We're right around $35. I got duped by the organic avocados. I didn't know that they were organic. They were $1 more. Better be the best damn avocado I've ever had. I'll try using this hot plate today. If that doesn't work, I do have propane, but I want to try that for the first time. I think first I want to get the shrimp marinating in the spices. And we'll cut off the tails later, so don't worry about that. On some chili powder, some cumin. Onion powder and garlic powder. Some cayenne pepper. Smells great. Now we're gonna work on our sauce. Brought a food processor with me. Got some olive oil. green onions, we want about a 1/4 cup chopped. Quarter cup cilantro leaves. One clove of garlic in. Some salt. And we need some juice of a lime. Look, there's a taco truck right there that I'm competing with. Nah, I bet their tacos are bomb. All right, now we need sour cream. About a 1/4 cup of that. I've never used this on portable power before. Let's see how it does. Drizzle some of that sauce over the cabbage to make a little slaw. Heat up some olive oil really quick while I'm cutting the tails off. I'm also going to prep my avocado. Smells amazing so far. Wonder what people think when they drive by and see me just making tacos out of my truck. I don't think many people care. Now these are about done. When they turn into that perfect C shape, you know you're good. So we're gonna take these off the heat now. All right, I'm gonna heat up the tortillas in this wonderful shrimp juice. Maybe just the inside so it's not super messy, huh? Yeah, you only live once. Alright guys, let's assemble these tacos. Ooh, those are hot. Those are hot. Alright, I think I'm gonna go with avocado. My organic $2 avocado. I'm gonna go with some of that slaw. Which is the cabbage and the sauce that I made. Then we're gonna go with the shrimp. more of that cilantro sauce. Oh my goodness. Look at those guys. Look at that, looks amazing. Alright guys, should we try these? Oh man. I just know I'm gonna make a mess, so I'm gonna put one on a plate here. Alright, shrimp taco, let's go. Mmm. Wow. That is amazing. Crunchy, spicy. That was really good. I haven't had these in such a long time. And they're not that hard to make. Good thing they're small so you can have 3 of them and not feel too bad. Well, success on this, guys. I have enough shrimp left for probably 6 more tacos. I'm gonna get all this cleaned up so I can skedaddle. Time to skedaddle. Don't fall over. Well, I don't want to toot my own horn, but those are some amazing tacos. Price-wise, they weren't that bad either if you do the math and do the wing jangle. I can't do it, but oh, so good. If you guys like this kind of content, let me know in the comment section below. I want to do a lot more of this with you guys. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I love having you here. Till next time, we'll see ya.